Well, this is a very special presentation on Headlines today. I have with me Salman Khan and Sonakshi Sinha. The fact that three of his last films actually have been super duper hits in top 5 of 100 Crore Club. Most of films are actually of Salman Khan. If I could ask you, sir, what has really changed in Sonakshi's acting and in her? Has stardom hit her?
No, nothing really has changed. I mean, she was a trained actor before she came in.
How was I a trained actor?
I mean, some people don't need the training. Some people have, self-taught. So she was good, and I think the first film that she did, she worked really hard on it. Actually, we can't work here. She just worked hard on herself to get fit. And she used to be a big girl earlier, and she's lost all that weight to be in the movies. And
she's given you a lot of credit at number of platforms about that.
I still do. I never thought at that point of time that I would ever be an actress.
Yeah.
So he really pushed
that was
me hard.
So that was the only thing that she had to work on. And apart from that, she's gifted. She's talented. I mean, she's got Chhatri Saab's confidence. The dialect is perfect. Diction is correct. She's very expressive. A lot of grace, rhythm in her body. She's got a comic timing. Got a flair for she's one of those kind of people that the camera actually loves. So all she's got to do is just take care of her wazan and she'll be fine. And as far as improvement or anything, it's been hardly a year and a half. If somebody grows this fast, I'll be quite amazed.
And
all
right, well,
I'm in shock.
Okay, well, so Sonakshi's in shock, but guys, you go and check out how Dabangg 2 is really leading the pack of the films of 100 crore plus films. And of course, we had Ek Tha Tiger that's really broken the record this year. Check out the story and come right back.
Bollywood presents The 100 Crore Club. Starring Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Aamir Khan, Ajay Devgan, Akshay Kumar, Ranbir Kapoor, Kareena Kapoor, Katrina Kaif, Priyanka Chopra, Asin and Sonakshi Sinha. Special appearances by Abhishek Bachchan, Sanjay Dutt. This is the biggest multi-starrer that Bollywood has churned out in recent times. The very popular, grand and star-studded 100 Crore Club. Trending big time on the minds of the biggest stars of the country, the 100 Crore Club is the new silver jubilee of Bollywood.
So 100 crores is great for the economy, great for the industry, and congratulations to all those who've been in those films.
Ji haan, it's great that films make that kind of money and I'm very happy that mine have. But I think we need to get over this fad of judging a film by saying it's 100 crore. I think एक फैशन का बोलने का तरीका बन गया है और ये गलत है.
ये एक्चुअली इस जमाने का सिल्वर जुबली गोल्डन जुबली का लिंगो बन गया है, मापदंड बन गया है सक्सेस का. पहले लोग बोलते थे सिल्वर जुबली की, गोल्डन जुबली की, अभी लोग 100 करोड़ की बात करते हैं, तो हाँ अच्छा लगता है. लेकिन हर तरह की फिल्में 100 करोड़ की हैं. वो एक बहुत अच्छी बात है 2012 की.
If you get resources like that, naturally your business is just booming. So yeah, it does mean. Why not? Who would not want to, have 100 crores on your film? Yeah.
It is some sort of a yardstick and indication as to how much the film has been appreciated, how much it has been liked.
Of course, I'm a filmmaker. Why not? I would love to be a part of 100 Crore Club. So. But that depends on the audience and the film I make.
Some of the biggest names of Tinseltown are glittering in this very coveted club. And while some have made their debuts just now, some have been ruling the club. Even though it was Aamir Khan who kick-started this club way back in 2008, it's none other than the Janta's favourite Salman Khan who has been the undisputed ruler of the 100 Crore Club so far.
आम जनता पब्लिक उनसे बेहद प्यार करती है और उनकी फिल्मों को बहुत बहुत लाइक करती है। एक बार नहीं, 2, 3, 4 बार उनके फैंस देखते हैं और उनके फैंस की संख्या इतनी बढ़ गई है कि उनकी हर फिल्म अब 100 करोड़ करती, चाहे वो बॉडीगार्ड हो, दबंग हो, रेडी हो या एक था टाइगर हो।
जासूस
Salman Khan has rocked the 100 crore club with back-to-back entries. And while some stars keep entering and exiting the club, Salman Khan's position remains elusive. Well, let's see if Salman will continue to rule the club or will he get dethroned in 2013. We are all eyes. Entertainment Bureau headlines today.
So now you're being actually called, the biggest money spinner in Bollywood. You're being called one of the greatest actors in terms of the influence that you have. Do these tags really matter to you, or do you feel a little detached at this stage of life in your career, given the fact that you've been in the career for more than 20 years?
It has never bothered me. I mean, I've been one of those fortunate ones that have seen ups and downs, and they've not actually, as far as career is concerned, they don't actually, damage me at all. The success has not made me go, crazy, or the failure has not let me go frustrated. I know that I know my job a little bit, and I think that's good enough for now.
Is there any extra responsibility, at least? The fact that you have Arbaz is making his debut as a director. Also the fact that your last film has actually touched nearly 200 crore in domestic India box office.
Arbaz's whole career as a director depends on Dabangg 2. That 4 or 5 hours that a fan would come, and watch a film, that he should not go back home disappointed. Yeah, so the responsibility is huge.
Alright, well, we are going to get Salman and Sonakshi to talk about the differences between Dabangg 1 and Dabangg 2. But for now, check out the 100 crore bloom in 2012.
While they say that doomsday is here, far from any such rumor, Bollywood is having a time of its life. Basking in the glory of the 100 crore club, Bollywood has had 9 films making more than 100 crore rupees this year, the highest ever.
डोंगरी की एक बरसाती में रहने वाला आज यहाँ आया है मुंबई बेचने, बदले में कुछ तो चाहता होगा। मांडवा।
Year 2012 saw a super-duper blockbuster beginning courtesy Agnipath. This remake of Amitabh Bachchan's cult film Agnipath had many things going for it. Power-packed performances? Check. High-voltage drama? Check. The item touch? Check. Be it Hrithik, Sanjay and Rishi Kapoor's dramatic performances or Katrina's chickeniest avatar ever, Agnipath made a whopping 120 crores at the box office. Next came a house full of comedy, romance and masala. Marking Akshay Kumar's debut in the 100 crore club, Sajid Khan's Houseful 2 played up on the super hit formula of Paisa Vasool entertainment. Over the top acts? Check. Overdose of comedy? Check. House full of items? Check. Add to this, Akshay's brilliant comic timing proved to be the icing on the cake, taking home 112 crores. Just as his fans were basking in the glory of his fantastic comedy, Akshay offered them a house full of rowdy action and entertainment. Rowdy action? Check. Rowdy fun? Check. Rowdy romance? Check. This Prabhudeva directed Akshay Sonakshi starrer set the cash registers ringing by making 133 crores at the box office. The Ajay Devgan-Rohit Shetty combo hit the bullseye once again. Bold comedy, check. Bold drama, check. Bold action, check.
Abhishek Bachchan.
Taking inspiration from the classic comedy Golmaal, Bold Bachchan became Ajay's third, Asan's fourth and Abhishek's maiden film in the club, earning 100 crore at the box office. And then it was time for the tiger of the club to strike again.
जिस मिशन पे जाते हो कोई न कोई मारा जाता है.
Tiger Khan, check. Tiger stunts, check. Tiger romance, check.
तुम्हारी शादी हो गई?
डायरेक्ट शादी? ये नहीं पूछोगी कि गर्लफ्रेंड है?
नहीं, अब तुम्हारी उम्र शादी की हो गई है.
With Kabir Khan's Ek Tha Tiger, Salman not only gave his fans his fourth consecutive blockbuster, but even gifted his on and off girlfriend Katrina Kaif a dhamakedar entry in the 100 crore club. Making a whopping 198 crores, the film missed entering the 200 crore club by a whisker. After the year got an overdose of masala, it was Ranbir and Priyanka's turn to serve something sweet to the movie buffs. Overwhelming performances, check. Music to the ears, check. A mouthful of entertainment, check. Carrying the Youngstan flag high, Ranbir and Priyanka doled out some sweet entertainment, taking home 106 crores in return. It was legendary Yash Chopra's last movie. Shah Rukh Khan's king status was at stake. It was one of the most awaited films of the year. Jab Tak Hai Jaan had to meet a million expectations, and it did. King Khan, check. To serve with love, check. Beauty and passion, check.
चले तू सबदा चले तेरा कोई नहीं चला गली गली रुलदा फिरे चला कि लबदा फिरे.
Shah Rukh Khan, Katrina Kaif, Anushka Sharma gave a bumper Diwali of 119 crores at the box office, not before sparking off lots and lots of fireworks in B-Town. Ajay Devgan completed his year by hitting his 4th century. Right from the time Diwali clash with Jab Tak Hai Jaan came into spotlight, the Sonakshi, Sanjay Dutt and Ajay Devgan starrer was touted to be in the 100 crore club. Over the top acts, check. Overdose of comedy, check. Salman's touch of luck, check. The son of madcap entertainment took home a whopping 103 crores.
स्वागत नहीं करोगे आप हमारा?
It was raining moolah at the box office in 2012.
सांसों ने बांधी है डोर पिया.
Here's hoping 2013 is no less. Varnika Gupta, Headlines Today.
Every star worth his Bollywood salt wants to make it to the 100 crore club. After the break, Chulbul and Bulbul will continue to decode this $1 million success formula.
Now, if I could ask you, sir, this is the 100th year of the Indian cinema. You know, you are actually under the golden spin at this point of time in your career. If you could just tell me in terms of what is it about the Indian cinema that's actually made it so popular and so unique across the world?
I think it's the the fact that we deal with emotional problems. We're not into this sci-fi kind of movies.
Oh, did you want? Is it called a faux pas? Or no, I don't know whether that was natural or whether that was intended.
That was covering up for all the compliments I got today. So much praise you gave. I couldn't believe my ears. I said, "Kahin na kahin to aayega abhi, aa gaya."
I'm not talking about. I'm talking about Hollywood films. We are not equipped. Our audiences are not geared to watch those kind of movies. We deal with the blood. We deal with good, bad, positive, negative, family, माँ, बहन, भाई, बाप, villain, एक corrupt चाचा तो कोई सौतेला भाई तो कोई सौतेला बाप. तो we deal with emotions. We deal with hunger. We deal with good guy, bad guy. We don't deal with के moon पर पहुंचे हैं, और meteor गिर रहा है और world end हो रहा है. We don't have the facility to make those kind of films, and when you make it, will not look convincing, and our audience also will not be able to झेलो उठ suddenly यहाँ से तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो यार? So that is what I meant.
Check out what really makes a 100 crore film.
As film after film, Bollywood's top stars keep their victory march on. The movie buffs are enjoying every bit of entertainment unlimited. But what makes a film good enough to enter the 100 crore club? What is the secret behind this $1 million success? Let's decode the formula of the 100 crore club. Overdose of entertainment. Maha Masala.
फिल्में सिर्फ 3 चीजों की वजह से चलती है. एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट, एंटरटेनमेंट. और मैं एंटरटेनमेंट हूँ.
This dialogue from the Dirty Picture has proved to be the tagline of the 100 crore club. The right mix of masala and comedy have films like Dabangg, Bodyguard, Houseful 2, Golmaal 3, Ready, Ra.1, Son of Sardar and Bold Bachchan sit pretty in the 100 crore club. Maha Action. Nobody has cracked this one better than Salman Khan, Akshay Kumar and Ajay Devgan. Larger than life persona, jaw-dropping stunts and gravity-defying action has made films like Gajni, Singham, Dawn 2, Agnipath, Rowdy Rathore and Ek Tha Tiger roar loud in the 100 crore club. Hata poster Nikla Khan. Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan and Aamir Khan have made their star power felt time and again in the B-town. And the case is no different here too. A Khan not only guarantees a $1 million success, sometimes even as big as 200 crores.
It's quite amazing and enigmatic, and I think people should do a case study as to, the Khans really rock, and they rock over years. It's not just like for a short while. It's quite interesting because each of them have their very strong personalities and immense mass following. Sometimes I feel they are larger than the film that they are a part of.
But Khans, beware. There is a certain Mr. Devgan who is out there to prove that his name might not be Khan, but he too has the star power and fan base to reckon with.
Ajay Devgan is now getting typecast as the comedy action hero. You're doing a lot of that kind of movie. Or is everybody doing that? That kind of movie?
Everybody is doing that, but still, I keep breaking that mold all the time. I'm doing I did a Singham in between, and now I'm going
also
to do
action.
Yeah, but not that action comedy. It's different.
Yeah,
but larger than life. Yeah, but I guess that's what works with us. 7-8 of us actors. I think that larger than life.
Star power or a secret success formula. As long as Bollywood doles out non-stop entertainment, no one is complaining. With Samina Razak, Noyon Jyoti and Susan Jose in Mumbai, Varnika Gupta, Headlines Today.
एक तुमको फ्री फंड की राय दें हमने हमारा बीमा करा लिया है, आप भी करा लो, जीवन के बाद भी काम आएगा.
Alright guys, on that note, जीवन के बाद भी काम आएगा. This was Salman Khan and of course Sonakshi Sinha, and the big thing being, did Salman really pull Sonakshi's leg when he spoke about sci-fi films? Well, we'll leave that to your judgment.
No, she's taking on, I know now.
Why did you look at me?
Arey, because you
Why
laughed.
did see? He's laughing now. He's smiling.
Arey, but you laugh. She's done a film like that. She's done a film like that. Shirish film does film. And hello, madam, that too. When you asked me, I only said it's a damn good film to do.
Yeah.
So then, और मेरे दिमाग में वो आया भी नहीं था, तुम इस बात का भी तुम बना रहे हो. और तुम्हारी फिल्म नहीं थी, हकी की फिल्म थी.
अच्छा.
Alright, sir. While you leave the audiences, just one wish of Cinema Happy 100.
Cinema Happy 100.
Okay. Cinema Happy 100.
Alright, thank you very much, guys. That was Salman Khan and Sonakshi Sinha on The Bunk 2, and of course the 100 Crore Club. This is Lara Singh signing off Headlines Today.